The AWC City Comparison Tool is designed to inform the decision-making process for identifying comparable cities. However, it is not an authoritative determination of your comparables. The first thing you will notice is a mobile button in the upper left-hand corner. If you are using the tool on your phone, please click this button to visit the mobile version. The upper right section of the tool contains the City Selection drop-down menu, 6 drill-down filters, and a highlight button. Below that we have our 4 comparison charts. The first shows city employee counts, the next is population and square mileage, then assessed value, and finally, tax revenue per capita. Now let's go ahead and choose a city so we can see what the tool can do. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu and choose the city of Blaine. And once I've selected the city, you'll notice the drop-down filters change to show the values for the city of Blaine. At this point, all of the charts below are still showing values for every city in Washington. So let's go ahead and use the drill down filters so we can start to narrow down our comparable cities. So we'll start with population, and you'll notice that when you hover over the population value, you'll see that a pop-up appears showing Blaine's population minus 50% and Blaine's population plus 50%. Now we're going to take those values and enter them into these sections here. So now our charts are limited to cities that only fall within this population range. Now we're going to narrow down our cities here further by doing the same thing under assessed value. Now you can see we've narrowed down the comparable cities quite a bit here. Now you could continue to do the same thing with population density as well as tax ratio. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and move down to some of the geographic features here. So you can see we can also filter for metro versus non-metro region and east versus western Washington. Now Blaine is in western Washington, so I'm going to go ahead and click right on west here. And when I do, it's going to filter so that we only see values that are in western Washington and fall within this population range and this assessed value range. You can see we've really gone ahead now and narrowed down that list of comparable cities. Now we're only going to look at ones that are within a metro region as well to further narrow our choices. So now you can see we have our list of comparable cities for the city of Blaine, and these are cities that fall within this population range, with this range of assessed value, are in a metro region and in western Washington. Now if you wish to remove any of these filters, you simply click them again and the filter will be removed. Now finally, I just want to show you this highlight button. Now if you are wondering where the city of Blaine is in any of these features, you simply click this highlight button and it will stand out for you so you can quickly identify where the city lies. You can click it again and it will unhighlight. You can also hover over any of these points in any of the charts and you will get the values for that city. So this is a quick overview of the city comparison tool. We hope you find it helpful. Thank you.